Excellency, the Chair of Special Administrators, the Permanent Secretary, the media colleagues, and the representatives from the Embassy. It's a pleasure to have you here this afternoon at my ministry. And I'm also extremely pleased to receive you graciously the grant that you are offering to Sigatoka Town Council. Today's event is all about receiving this grant of $90,000, which will assist Sigatoka Town Council to complete some of the capital work project that they started a few months back. In fact, this particular grant is very special to Sigatoka Town Council because they want to complete the amphitheatre that they are building on the river bank. And this money will go towards completing that amphitheatre as well as a stage. And portion of that money will be used in concreting the current car park area. And all this will generate revenue for Sigatoka Town Council. In fact, the idea of amphitheatre is a great one. It will assist in revenue generation for the council, but besides that, it is good for the tourists. So when they come to Fiji, or even the visitors who pass by, they can enjoy the ambience of that river bank, sitting at the amphitheatre, and then looking towards the river. And then there is this Sigatoka bridge that gets lit up at night as well. And the special administrators also have another project lined up in the same area, which is they intend to actually build a coffee shop, a restaurant, and a bar, which will be next to the amphitheatre. So that completes the whole entertainment area for Sigatoka. So when we are passing by, or from Neni to Suva, we can stop by at this coffee shop, have some refreshment. If it's evening, then there might be some dances and some shows which will be put up by any person who may request to do so, and one can be entertained. So this is really a great gift to Sigatoka Town Council, because it will generate income, but besides that, it will also employ people, the big entertainers, to come to that amphitheatre and perform for the people of Sigatoka, the visitors, as well as the tourists. So that's how we're going to use the grant that we talked about. So thank you once again, Ambassador, for offering to assist Sigatoka Town Council. It will go a long way. Thank you, Excellency.
Thank you, Miss.
No.
Thank you.